Yes.
Couple questions.
Yes.
As far as the wife going to the nail salon, when she has her nails clipped, does she need to tell the tech to cut them in a certain order?
If it's possible, yes. That's a good question. Yeah. So just give them the order. Start from left hand, like second finger, then fourth, right? Then jump to the first, middle, and thumb. Yeah, absolutely. I think it would be like they would like it. I think these ladies. Yeah. Because you see, it does not matter. You cutting for yourself and or they cutting for you, especially as we said in Kabbalah. He did not mention, but we know from other sources that that's what they do for the dead people. Of course, dead people don't cut their own nails. Somebody else is doing it for them. So I would say, yeah, that's a point for concern. Okay. Good question. Any other question before we continue? Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
You said something about burning the nails. How would you go about doing that process of burning the nails?
Okay, it's simple. So you have let's say a can. You have you open a can. I don't know, corn, like tuna, whatever you open, the thin thin can, right? So you put nails and put some piece of paper, whatever nails, and then burn it with a match. That's it. They're going to burn. So some of them maybe take some cardboard or some. It take maybe a minute, but it's going to stink. Just so you know, don't do it at home for sure. Right? So some people do it. Some smokers, I know, like olden days, they would do it in ashtray. But the smell is terrible. So do it outside. If you do it outside, you don't have to stand and watch, and there is no problem. Okay, but as we said today, many people don't have luxury. They're afraid of making fire, and it's going to stink, and to the neighbors are going to complain. So the second best way is just flush them down the toilet. That's it.